welcome to episode 15. This time on the Ironman Challenge, we check the wiki, scrap some junk we found, and steal a cop car battery. So, let's get into it. Go loot cars, I'm guessing. Abandoned police vehicles, okay. Maybe we'll go... Alright, yeah, we could probably go fight a boss. Maybe even try bandits and try that quest out. But first... Alright, well, we need to heal up. Rip all the serotonin. That's alright though. Damaged. Oh! I thought these were only like 5,000. 2,500, sorry. That's nice. What do we get for one? Yeah, $500. Alright, ammo. Okay, so that's less than 1 per bullet. It's not amazing. That's 1 per bullet. Oof. Shotties are 1 per bullet. Okay, so 12 gauge shells are good for looting and scrapping. We'll scrap a wine, we don't need all that. 14k so far. That's right, we got storage now. Oh, look at all this fat fucking loot. Oh, that's my mastercrafted one. Oh, well, don't fucking need it anymore, do we? Can I use this now? I can. Oof. Let's hit up the wiki. Let's see what it does. I don't know how much damage it does. Uh, 37 per hit. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know if we're gonna use that. Those loot runs definitely pay off. Wow, really? That's only worth 2.5? Damn. Ronin Pro is good loot then. It's pretty close to 1, and they're directly 1. 31,000 to mastercraft it. We don't need to mastercraft it though. If anything, we need to mastercraft this again, which is all the money. That's only 21, but I'm not going to use them. I'm just going to scrap it. It's too low level to bother with, honestly. Storage space or mastercrafting this? Shit. Decisions. I guess it's not going anywhere, so we can just wait. Deal 85 grand. Is that all I needed to do? Repair my armor. Awesome. Oh, that cup of tea is good. I've been making coffee so much, and I've just been neglecting the tea because I know I've been really lethargic in the mornings. Yeah, bad habits, you know. Oh, but the tea, so good, so refreshing. I'll still probably loot this stuff because I think it will be useful. Even just, you know, random med here and there to heal up. But mainly just beelining for the bosses, plural. Alright, this should be him. Could you not vomit everywhere on everything? You bloody freaking... I don't know, just think of a bunch of bad words and apply that. Oh, I see him. I see the light coming. Oh my god. Like, I walk too fast for this. Alright, we have fucking destroyed him. What are you gonna give us? Oh, that's perfect. That's probably one of the best things we can get out of him, because that is a 11,000 scrap right there. And that is good. How many blocks? We got 4 blocks across. 4 or 5. And we will fight the mother. Be a little bit more tough, but that's okay. Hopefully we can loot a bit of morphine on the way. Can you get out of my business? Whatever. Oh my god, that's tragic. Is that really what the loot was like around here? Ah, mailbox. Such a rare fucking sight. There we go. 182 bucks. That's more like it. That's a fair loot. It's gonna be funny if we die to this mother, because we're gonna have to go looting on like critical fucking health. Actually, no, that's not true. There's a bunch of healing items in my in my marketplace trade from fucking completing challenges, which I don't know if that interferes with the challenge or not. So again, I'm gonna have to fucking read up. Gonna have to do some learning. Alright, it is in the next square, so let's have a last little look for some morphine or something. Alright, junk, that's what I love, you know what? I'm gonna go for another one. Car. Yep. Ooh. Tin helmet. Sexy. We'll put that on. That wasn't even the car I saw, lol. Tinned salmon. Yeah, we'll be tin helmet kind of fella. Don't scream me. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's try not to fucking die. Not what I wanted to see. I thought I wouldn't get a horde, at least. Hey, yo, the boss. Alright. Redo. Do over. Call the timeout, please. Yeah, can I lift this? Why does our helmet look like a beret? Seriously, fix your models. Fucking one model to rule them all. She's gotta be coming here, right? Why do there be spiders? Can't we follow the butterflies? Oh, is this too tight? This is too tight. I wouldn't be able to kill a horde quick enough in that spot. Like two spiders come in, I'm fucked. Ooh. Don't fit. If I master off my chainsaw and I get 8 crit on it, and then if I can get one more 8 crit stat stick, I will have 112 crit. Bullshit. Which is 80% crit chance on the chainsaws, and that'll rip into bosses like no one's fucking business. and drink my cup of tea. Let's go down. I wonder how many bosses, like the low level bosses, get killed in multiplayer anymore. Like how many times people are actually meeting up to kill bosses like the Mother and Titans. It's like the fucking 4th Chris I've got. Not gonna lie, a little disappointed. Just a little bit. Alright, let's head off to this quest. Didn't take as long as I thought either, we're pretty powerful with our tiny little knife. Just give me the loot. At least gonna level up very, very soon. Morphine, nice. Not too sure if I'm gonna fight the bandits or not. I guess it would depend on the setup, if it's doable or not. Because I don't actually have spare meds, not even full health. Not a very good idea. But boy, if they're like on the other side of a wall or something, that's free game, that's just free loot right there. Sure, 247 mil, 7.5, don't mind if I do. Hey, hey, get out of my fucking way. That spider actually scared me when he came out. Alright, everyone's gone so I can get this loot. And for our effort, we are rewarded with bandages. 2 whole health or 1 whole health. This means we're gonna have to be moving out of this area. So we're gonna have to go hit up Fort Pastor. Which is funny because we are pretty much walking straight there for this quest, but I'm pretty sure we have to go back to the outpost to complete the quest, so we're gonna go up and back and forth and back and all around the fucking... Yep. It's gonna be good though, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be like that. I really want the bandits to be easy. That would be some really good easy loot. And some extra easy XP. If I can be level 35 by the time I hit Fort Pastor, that'll be really good because I can loot level 35 armor around Fort Pastor, I'm pretty sure. And then I can repair that armor and it'll be all great. Okay, no on bandages. Just not worth the space. Morphine worth the space. Alright, this is not where the bandits are. Oh wait, no, this is the first bandit one. Okay, they're just both kind of together on the street. There's another one directly across from it. Let's check that out. Now, it's not a bad spot, but there are still more spots. There's 2 more spots before we even get to the mission, so we're gonna head back. .12 gauge, nice. We want to loot those, that's good for us. I was like, man, hasn't been a horde in a while. Horde. Should go away if I go one up, because that's where the bandits are, so... Let's try that. Let's not die. It'd be embarrassing. Imagine streaming this game and dying. Pretty sure that's where the bandits need to be. No, I went past it. Did I check the one below? Anyway, let's go back. Let's just keep going up, maybe. Let's do the mission first, I guess. There's still one more bandit set. Which is the next tile up. What kind of loot we getting here? Just the same stuff, pretty much. Alright, so I think there is a bandit tile that we missed that I didn't check. So this one also sucks. We'll do the mission. I think go looking for another one. Or just try one of the other ones. I'll get some meds and it won't be too bad. Oh, there they are. Yeah, doesn't seem that advantageous, does it? So kind of just like an easy bandit kill. They're such a pain in the ass. Antibiotics, cool. Maybe I don't want to kill them around here. Might be some shitty bandit loot. Loot squad cars. Where's your fucking squad car officer? Oh, do I have to carry 10 batteries? Do I actually have to carry 10 fucking batteries back? You're kidding me, right? Will any car actually do? Probably not. Low. Shit. This might be a bit of a suck of a mission. You have a lot of crap to throw out, but at least it's looking like 100% drop. Down there, I don't think that's any. Sometimes they're like upside down and it's hard to see on the map if you're looking for them. Nailed it. Oh, it's not a bad one at all. Right, maybe we just get our loot and get out. Time to free up a fuckload of inventory space. Shit. Alright, so bits of ammo we have, goodbye. You know what, pretty much all the ammo we have, goodbye. Yep. So we have... We still don't have enough slots free. But it's close, we almost have enough free. Imagine if I had just like discarded all the batteries after finding them, would that count? I know this isn't a cop car, I'm looting it anyway. Fucking don't know why, I'm just a fucking idiot. Woohoo, batteries! Woo, dead ends. Scary. So many cars that aren't cop cars, you know? That's most of them, I think, in this. I think there's another area though. Yep, and there's a cop car. And there's a battery. Alright, there's two cop cars right there as well. Fucking inventory page expired. It does say 9 out of 10, you know, let's just look. Let's just keep going. It does just say find them. I'll bring them back. Okay. Guess not. Alright. Bam. Try to find these other bandits now. Two or three blocks down. Fuck, we zoom so fast at the moment. I think it's the next one down. I'm not seeing any bandits here. Oh, stuck on a dickhead. Holy shit! Fucking Kevlar vest. I'm taking that somehow. Throwing away 437.5 bullets. I don't think I'm going to be seeing the M60 for a while, so it's okay. But that's good. That's just icing on the cake there. Sadly, we are starting to out-level loot like that, you know. The $3,500 loot just doesn't really quite cut it at the moment. Alright. They're on the other side of a truck by the looks of it. This could be good, this could be what I need. I think I'm gonna chainsaw them too. So I think I should be hitting like 60-70% crit rate with the chainsaw. I hope. I didn't check. I shoot over that. Starting to think, no, this could be so good. Will these zombies fuck off? Revenge! I'm creating quite the ruckus. But this is so much easier having them divided. Friend's just like, what's that weird sound? Standing on the side of the truck like a clueless fuckhead. stay over here, mate. No, go back over the other side. Stay near the middle of the truck. Well, it's not exactly the most fun experience in the world, is it? But I'm hoping we get some good loot out of it. Still have to kill the other guy. XP's nice with these guys, and the mission we might get an extra level up, or be very close to it at least. Level 35 is just around the corner. And I guess maybe the move to Fort Foster soon. Although I don't know, because I'm not going to be able to fight many bosses at Fort Foster, but the regular giant spider and the Wraith will be my best bet, besides random like flaming mothers and mothers that might be sometimes spawning there. I need a good weapon to be able to kill stuff like the spider, the giant spider. Alright fella, you are almost done. Any last words? You don't want to foam your teammate? Ooh, beautiful. That's a nice mastercraft. If it was the other way around with 22 agility, I'd consider keeping it. Stay back over here.